The red flag warning does continue for most of New Jersey through early Monday morning because of that high fire danger. So what are the criteria? What are the things that we typically look for? Of course, that very low relative humidity, strong gusty winds, we've got those, and those dry fuels at the surface. We talked about this yesterday. The leaves are not on the trees yet, right? We don't have that greenery around to help add humidity to the air. So you have the brush at forest surface level that can ignite very quickly, especially when you have strong sunshine and those winds. Any spark can quickly cause a fire, and then of course the wind can accelerate it. We have that relative humidity very low in place. We talked about the winds already. Look at these dew points. That is a measure of the absolute humidity, and it is very low with those numbers in the teens. And here's a radar image from earlier this afternoon of what the fire looked like on radar. So the smoke was heavy enough that it was being picked up by that radar beam. And as you just heard from McGee, the Garden State Parkway is shut down right now in the area of Brick. Now, a much wider view shows some relief in the form of rain that we're going to get from the dryness, but this is still several days away. We could see a sprinkle or shower before the bulk of the energy from that system arrives, but that is later in the week. That's not happening today or tomorrow. Instead, for the rest of tonight, we're going to see gusty winds continuing to bring in frigid air. You're really going to notice that temperature difference once the sun sets. By the time we wake up tomorrow morning, it's going to feel like January, even though it's mid-March, and temperatures will slowly rebound through midweek to around where we should be for this time of year, with that rain likely on Thursday. So tonight, 25 degrees for your overnight low, but when you factor in the winds, it's going to feel like it's in the single digits overnight tonight. Suburbs dip down to 15 degrees in some spots, so it is going to be a very cold one. And then tomorrow, again, looking and feeling like a January day with strong sunshine, a brisk breeze, and a temperature of only 29 degrees at 9 a.m. At 2 o'clock, it'll be 34. 6 p.m., only 37 degrees. But here's that rebound that I talked about in the 7-day forecast. We're back to 40 degrees on Tuesday. That's still cold for this time of year. St. Patrick's Day Wednesday, 48. That's right around average. We could see a shower or two on either Tuesday or Wednesday, but most of the day is dry on both Tuesday and Wednesday. It's Thursday that we could be contending with some rain, and Friday also looks like it could feature a little bit of rain.